screams were emanating from the coffin. What they found upon opening it will shock you. Pierre and Lisa have been married for 3 years. Lisa was 7 months pregnant, and the couple was basking in a perfect love. However, one day on the way to the hospital for a routine ultrasound, Lisa was unfortunately involved in an extremely severe car accident. Firefighters quickly arrived at the scene and urgently rushed the young mother to the hospital. Tragically, Lisa and her unborn child passed away shortly after the accident. Pierre lost his beloved wife and the daughter he had not yet met, leaving him devastated. With the full support of both families, Pierre arranged the funeral for the next day. Family and friends gathered to bid farewell to Lisa and the child she carried, a child he had not had the chance to know. At the funeral, as Pierre began his eulogy, suddenly, a scream interrupted him. The sound was coming from inside the coffin. Pierre immediately halted the ceremony and ordered the funeral home staff to lift the coffin out of the grave and open it. But what they discovered when the coffin was opened shocked everyone present.